Many of you know what is LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn is a professional platform where we can connect with real clients. So it's amazing, right? But in this video, I won't show you how to create a LinkedIn account or how to customize professionally a LinkedIn account. Okay. Or if you need any help, just go YouTube and find it by yourself. I think you are figured it out. Okay. Here is some key steps, which is make your profile very professional and which will attract your client and which is make client to understand that you are serious about your work. Number one is neat and clean professional photo. Number two, use your own or real name, which is like your passport or your national ID, right? Okay, don't use like I am an angel, I am etc. Don't use those type of funny name, right? Then last one is properly add every title, every single of your experience, software, skill, your project. This is very important and mandatory. So here we come to my profile. I'm sorry about some profile here show already, so ignore it. Okay, look, this is my ID. So first I will show you how to search for clients. Here is the search bar. Just click. Okay, suppose you can write here real estate. Okay, you have to choose some niches that skill you already have, like gym is a niche, so gym owner or gym trainer need their thumbnail design, professional cloth design, tank top design, etc. So you must need those skills. Before connect, you have to remind yourself that I have this skill. Okay, so then go first, just select, you can just select about those things, just select people. Then our first step is already done. We have to go then only the locations. Okay, after that go to the country filter and select countries whose people can potentially hire you. Try to avoid choosing clients or profiles from countries that don't support Palestine. Okay, then send them a connect request. Okay, let me show you. You can choose United States. I about India. Okay, United Arab Emirates. No, I don't want this. Okay, London. Okay. Because I think only those countries people pay me wealthy. If I choose Nigeria, I don't underestimate their country, but if I choose Nigeria and any other country, I think they won't able to pay me good money. But think before work or before do any work, think about the humanity before I say it. Okay, so London, United Kingdom. Okay, then let me set it. Okay, then here we can use friends. Okay, I think that's enough. Then we have to go on the show result. Let me check what. So remember, you don't have to follow. If you follow, you will only see their post, but if they accept your connect request, you will both be able to see each other post, just like your Facebook friends. Okay, so then go ahead and send the connect request, like. Okay, so here you just choose send without a note. Okay, that's enough. See, that's very easy and cool, and I'm using the free version, not paid. You can see here. So after a client accept your connection request, don't send your portfolio or ask for work right away. First visit their profile. If they respond, then build a conversation and try to get the work naturally. So if they accept our connect request, we have to just send like this type of message. Let me show you. Hi, thanks for connecting. So this enough. Okay, just introduction and give some warning to our client. So I hope they respond. And it's work. In my purpose, actually it's work. Then if they respond, build a conversation. Okay, let me show you some, and I have to blur something. Okay, so after conversation, here you can see some of my conversation with a client. Okay, so if they respond, build a conversation and try to get work naturally before I say it. If not, engage with their post. Like this is a client profile. Okay, we have to check their posts and which group they already added. where is the post. If they don't have any post, then go to their comments. Okay, just reply or react. If you want, you can just give a good well-wisher message to them. And if you can, offer something or give some free works to them that will attract their attention. This is how you can find your real client. So LinkedIn is far better than other social platform, and I hope you will practice it, or you will adjust it, or you will schedule it on your daily life routine, and you will get a client like me. So no more further words, hope for the best, and I think this video will help you more and more.